Buenos días. Here is the onion juice, onion medicine. You're going to take a teaspoon of this, drink it in the morning or give it to your child if they don't feel good or they feel cold or coughing. Okay, so I prepare this. I chop the red onions. I add a teaspoon of honey. You can also add a very little salt. I did not, but you can also add salt a little bit. I add honey, 1 lemon, squeeze the lemon, and I also add the onion right here. And you left it overnight, cover it overnight, and it's gonna be ready. See, you don't have to wait overnight. You can just leave it for some hours, and it's gonna be ready too. Because the lemon is going to take out the juice from the onion, also with the salt. I hope you can do this for your children and also for yourself. Okay.